Welcome back. I'm Carly with Builds by Carly, and today I'm so excited to show you my newest treehouse. This property features our Azalea model, which is built entirely on piers to really make you feel like you're among the trees. Today we're going to be talking about the features of this beautiful Azalea model. We're also going to be talking about why tiny homes make such profitable short-term rentals, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about our business and what we offer. Come on inside. I can't wait to show you. Welcome inside. At our company, we design with intention. So we're always thinking about what's going to be the most practical for a short-term rental. First off, LVP flooring. Obviously, you need something water resistant for a short-term rental. And I really love this white oak color, but if you had your own Azalea model, you can choose any color you'd like. With tiny homes being small, we're always looking for crafty ways to really make the space feel bigger. To achieve this, we use vaulted ceilings and tons of window to really let in natural light and make the space feel a lot bigger than it is. With tiny homes, the little details matter. You really need to utilize every bit of space so you don't make the home feel crowded. A good example of this is how we plan out our electrical. Here the electrical is routed where you can tuck your cords in behind the wall, so that way you can keep down your clutter. Then you don't have those ugly cords hanging down your wall. Another example, and my favorite, is placing wall outlets above your shelves. That way you have a space for all of those necessary appliances while keeping a nice aesthetic. Even though this is a tiny home, the kitchen is still fully equipped. We have a sink, a dishwasher, a full-size range, a large refrigerator, and even a microwave. We all know that guests love their amenities, and they're going to love this full-size kitchen. You're probably wondering where the dishwasher is? Check this out. This kitchen features these beautiful white granite countertops and these gorgeous dark green cabinets, which pair beautifully together. But if you have a different color combo you'd like to go with, these are fully customizable. With only one bathroom, it's super important to make it really eye-catching. So that's why we went with a full floor-to-ceiling tiled shower in a high-quality finish, and it just really looks amazing. And my favorite feature in this bathroom is the matte black toilet. You don't see them often, and it pairs perfectly with the shower. This model is even equipped with a washer and dryer hookup that's neatly tucked away. This Azalea model, and actually all of our home models, come with a deck. We know people come to the Smoky Mountains to enjoy the views and to be outside, and there's no better way to do that than to hang outside on a deck. And we equipped all of our decks with a 220-volt electrical connection, so you're 100% hot tub ready. As an investor, we know you love hassle-free and that you want to get your property on Airbnb as quickly as possible. And that's why we go the extra mile to even build these railings to building code, so when your new hot tub arrives, you can have peace of mind knowing you're fully compliant with code. Here in the Smoky Mountains, we know the short-term rental market is extremely competitive. That's why you need something unique and something that stands out, and that's what we specialize in. We exclusively build in the Smoky Mountains given the large amount of revenue potential, and we're local. We live here in this community, which makes us experts in this area. The Azalea model is just one of 4 very unique home models that we offer. And we work with everybody from the first-time investor to the experienced investor looking to add to their portfolio. At Builds by Carly, you're not just hiring a builder. We provide the full service. We will pair you with the perfect piece of land for your next short-term rental. You choose the home model you'd like. We allow customization throughout the process to really make it your own. We build the house, and then you're ready to get your next property on the short-term rental market.